Everything essential that we need today has been provided to us by the Earth. Life wouldn't function without the necessities that the Earth provides for us. The Earth offers every primary obligation that we need to survive, such as sunshine, air, vegetation, and water. If we were to imagine our lives without these resources, that would not be possible. Over the years, human neglect the damages has caused to the Earth, but saving Earth is actually saving human beings, so it plays an important role if we want ourselves and our children live on this planet, which is only place where we can survive. Our Mother Earth is misused in several ways. We have polluted its natural components like air, water, and land. Men, animals, and plants are suffering from environmental problems. This pollution has caused slow death to Mother Earth, and it is dying. If it is not saved timely, no living organism will survive. The first step that can save Earth is stop deforestation. Global warming is the main cause of the change in our environment. There was a time when the Earth was full of forests, and actually the trees are lungs of Earth. The best way to handle the problem of deforestation is by making sure that educate the masses regarding the importance of green cover. When people understand as to how deforestation is leading to grave consequences, they will get the incentive to plant trees rather than uproot them. To ensure a greener environment, we must all join the efforts in reducing deforestation. Everyone should plant more trees in the surrounding areas to curb the pollution and reduce the effects of global warming. A lot of natural calamities are occurring these days because the ecosystem balance has been disturbed. Deforestation alone is responsible for a major amount of problems. For example, disasters like landslides take place because of this. Furthermore, soil erosion is responsible for various floods, as trees are not present to stop the waters from heavy rainfalls gush directly to the plains. This results in damaging of colonies where people are living. Another best step that can save Earth is we should not misuse its natural resources like air, water, soil, minerals, fuels, plants, and animals. Conservation is the practice of caring for these resources, so all living things can benefit from them, now and in the future. Most importantly, the way we are wasting water needs to be checked right away, as it is many countries are facing a water crisis, and we know life without water is impossible. The farmers won't get enough water for irrigation. It can also result in famine and many more deadly consequences. There has been a major decline in these minerals like coal, copper, oil, and more. Soon, we will run out of them all if we do not conserve them properly. We must not waste these resources, instead find ways to prevent this depletion. If resources are carelessly managed, many will be used up. If used wisely and efficiently, however, renewable resources will last much longer. We should save our Earth and environment by say no to open burning of waste. All open burning poses risks to the environment and public health, and it's also a global threat. The release of uncontrolled smoke into the atmosphere pollutes the air, causing the destruction of the ozone layer. Toxic fumes released by the process affect not only the ozone layer, but also plant and animal life, which has a negative impact on the wildlife and eventually declining their count. Moreover, it is also a cause for global warming, given that it is very volatile in the atmosphere. Government should enforcement law that strongly prohibits open burning, and whoever defying should fine or jailed. If a country has strict national environmental law on open burning, no one would want to risk getting caught if such heavy fines and a lengthy time in prison is imposed. Reducing waste will not only protect the environment, but will also save on costs and reduce expenses for disposal. In the same way, recycling and reusing the waste that is produced benefits the environment by lessening the need to extract resources. However small the contribution is, it will definitely be the beginning of a change that we want to see. We should stop all the bad practices involved in increasing the level of pollution and global warming to save Earth and to save life.